Good morning. Your first meal of the day might seem harmless, but it could quietly be working against you. Especially in ways that truly matter for your health and well-being. Right now, countless seniors are reaching for the same breakfast they've had for years. They believe it's a healthy start, a familiar comfort. But that very choice could be affecting the blood flow and muscle strength that help you stay active, confident, and energized. Even something as simple as toast or cereal could be interfering with circulation in your lower body. This might be why you're feeling weaker, why energy seems low, or why there's a strange numbness that's hard to explain. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they are signals from your body. Many men think these changes come with aging. They accept them as an inevitable part of getting older. But age might not be the real cause. The actual problem could be right there on your breakfast plate, silently undermining your vitality. I'm Dr. Katherine Rocker. I specialize in men's health, and I've spent over 2 decades helping men maintain strength, vitality, and confidence. I have met thousands of men who thought they had lost their intimate health, their physical prowess, or their daily energy for good. But what we discovered was simple and profoundly hopeful. And it started not in a pharmacy, but right in the kitchen. Your body wants to support good blood flow. It wants to help you maintain your strength and stay confident, vibrant, and engaged in life. But it needs the right nutrients to make that happen. And you won't find those in a prescription bottle. You'll find them in food, specifically in certain foods that act as powerful allies for your circulatory system. Today, I'll share with you 5 simple breakfast foods that support circulation. They strengthen important muscles, and they boost your confidence and overall well-being, all without unwanted side effects. One of them might already be in your fridge, waiting to be rediscovered. Some men notice a significant difference in less than a week. This isn't about radical changes or restrictive diets. It's about strategic additions that empower your body's natural functions. Stay with me, because I'll show you exactly what these foods are. I'll explain how to easily incorporate them into your morning routine. And I'll reveal how they can completely change your morning and your circulation, setting the stage for a more energetic day. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. That way you won't miss helpful senior health tips like this, designed to empower you with practical, actionable knowledge. And if this topic speaks to you, if you felt these symptoms or are looking for natural solutions, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I'd love to know your thoughts and experiences. Let's delve deeper into the silent adversary, poor circulation. Traditional breakfast foods, often high in refined carbohydrates and sugars, can actively interfere with your body's ability to maintain optimal blood flow. This is especially true for circulation in the lower body, where gravity and distance already pose challenges. When circulation is compromised, your muscles don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. This directly translates to reduced muscle strength and overall lower energy levels throughout your day. You might feel a general weakness, a lack of stamina that wasn't there before. Poor circulation manifests in various ways. You might experience persistently cold hands and feet, even in warm environments. A pervasive fatigue can set in, making even simple tasks feel exhausting. And that strange numbness or tingling sensation in your extremities? That's often a direct sign of insufficient blood flow. A key factor in this decline is the reduction of nitric oxide, or NO, in the body. Nitric oxide is a crucial molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. When NO levels drop, it becomes much harder for blood to reach your extremities, your brain, and critically, your pelvic area. This impacts everything from physical performance to cognitive clarity and intimate health. The good news is that your body is remarkably resilient. With the right support, it can often restore healthy circulatory function. The solution lies in providing the specific nutrients your body needs to produce and utilize nitric oxide effectively, and to maintain the flexibility and responsiveness of your blood vessels. The path to improved blood flow, sustained energy, and overall well-being doesn't require complex interventions. It begins with strategic inclusion of specific, powerful foods in your daily diet. These aren't exotic ingredients, they are readily available and easy to prepare. These 5 foods work in harmony with your body's natural systems. They provide the building blocks and catalysts needed to restore healthy circulation, enhance nitric oxide production, and protect your vascular health. By making these simple dietary shifts, you can empower your body to function at its best, naturally. Food number 1 is spinach. Spinach is a true powerhouse when it comes to nitrates. It naturally improves blood flow where you need it most, including your pelvic region and throughout your entire body. This leafy green can help you regain strength and protect your confidence. It supports robust circulation without the need for medication, working with your body's inherent capabilities. Robert, 62, had been dealing with heavy legs and persistent soreness around the groin. His energy was gone, and he often felt sluggish. He thought slowing down was just an inevitable part of aging, a natural decline he had to accept. But his symptoms weren't caused by age alone. They were caused by poor circulation, and by missing the vital nutrients that keep blood vessels open and healthy. Spinach offers a direct solution to this challenge. Just 1 serving of spinach has more than 800 milligrams of nitrates. Your body converts those dietary nitrates into nitric oxide, the compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This process is fundamental to healthy circulation. When nitric oxide levels drop, blood has a harder time reaching your legs and pelvic area. That means less energy for daily activities, weaker physical performance, and even uncomfortable numbness or persistent discomfort. Spinach directly addresses this deficiency. Spinach protects both your movement and your sexual health by boosting NO. It significantly improves something called flow-mediated dilation, which is a measure of how well your arteries expand in response to increased blood flow. Studies show it can lower blood pressure within hours of consumption. It improves circulation all over the body, including the critical pelvic arteries. Best of all, it's most effective when consumed in the morning. That's when your body's natural nitric oxide levels are often at their lowest, making spinach's contribution particularly impactful. Eat it early, and you'll feel the benefits for the rest of the day, from improved energy to better warmth in your extremities. Harold, 67, started blending spinach into his breakfast smoothie every day. After just 3 weeks, he felt lighter, more energized, and significantly more active. He enthusiastically reported, "I feel 10 years younger." Spinach is affordable, easy to find in any grocery store, and incredibly powerful. It works synergistically with your body's own system to restore healthy blood flow, providing a natural and effective boost. How often do you hear men over 60 say, "I don't have the same energy I used to"? Or, "My hands and feet are always cold"? This is circulation failing silently, often without obvious symptoms until it becomes more pronounced. And your gut plays a bigger role in this than most men realize. 70% of your immune system depends on the health of your gut. If it's unbalanced, it triggers systemic inflammation throughout your body. That inflammation can directly damage your blood vessels and significantly slow circulation. Greek yogurt with berries is a simple, delicious, and highly effective solution. Yogurt's beneficial probiotics work to calm gut inflammation, restoring balance to your digestive system. They also improve how your body utilizes dietary nitrates from other foods, like the spinach we just discussed, making them even more effective. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, add a powerful punch of anthocyanins and vitamin C. These compounds are crucial because they protect nitric oxide, allowing it to last longer and perform its vital function more effectively. They also help keep your blood vessels flexible and responsive, ensuring smooth blood flow. Martin, 64, made a simple swap. He replaced his usual toast with Greek yogurt topped with fresh blueberries. 2 weeks later, his persistent afternoon fatigue vanished. His legs felt noticeably lighter, and he found himself playing with his grandkids for longer periods without needing to sit down and rest. Samuel, 70, struggled for years with bloating and chronic fatigue, which he attributed to his age. After a month of consistently incorporating Greek yogurt with mixed berries into his breakfast, his digestion dramatically improved. His blood pressure numbers eased, and he felt a renewed sense of vitality, truly alive again. This combination is more than just a tasty meal, it's a strategic investment in your gut health and, by extension, your circulatory system. Now let's talk about avocado. Some might jokingly call it fancy guacamole, but it's much, much more than that. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, especially for your cardiovascular system. Avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats and essential potassium. These nutrients are crucial for keeping your blood vessels flexible, elastic, and responsive to the demands of your body. This directly improves circulation in a way that many medications try to copy, but avocado does it naturally and holistically. Studies consistently show that eating avocado just twice a week can lower your risk of heart disease by a significant 16%. This is a powerful preventative measure you can take with a simple food. And when eaten in the morning, its healthy fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are vital for everything from bone health to immune function, and avocado ensures you get the most out of them. Frank, 59, once laughed at the idea of eating avocado for breakfast, considering it a trendy food. But after consistently eating half an avocado each morning, he reported that his legs felt springy and energetic. His overall energy lifted, and even his mood improved noticeably. David, 65, made a conscious decision to swap out processed spreads and butter for avocado 3 mornings a week. 2 months later, his cholesterol numbers showed significant improvement. More importantly, his stamina returned, allowing him to enjoy his hobbies and daily activities with renewed vigor. Avocado isn't just hype. It's a reliable, daily way to unlock more energy, improve your circulation, and support your overall heart health. It's a simple addition with profound benefits. Yes, chocolate. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate, specifically 70% cacao or higher. This isn't a guilty pleasure, it's a strategic health food. Dark chocolate is exceptionally rich in flavonols. These powerful plant compounds are known to keep blood vessels flexible and elastic, allowing them to expand and contract efficiently. They also play a crucial role in helping nitric oxide perform its function effectively, ensuring optimal blood flow. During sleep, your body naturally loses some antioxidants, which can make your blood vessels less responsive in the morning. A small amount of dark chocolate helps to restore these antioxidants, improving your morning vessel responsiveness and setting a positive tone for your circulation throughout the day. William, 63, decided to try eating 2 squares of 85% dark chocolate with his morning coffee. Within a week, he noticed his mornings felt lighter, less sluggish. His energy returned more quickly, and he felt more alert and ready to start his day. Edward, 68, was initially skeptical about chocolate being a health food. But after incorporating just 1 ounce of dark chocolate every morning for a month, his blood pressure eased. His mood lifted, and his wife even noticed he was more active and engaged in their daily routines. A small piece of dark chocolate is more than just a treat. It's a smart, enjoyable way to reset and optimize your circulation each morning, providing a delicious boost to your vascular health. Finally, let's talk about pomegranate. This vibrant fruit is often called the royal fruit of circulation, and for good reason. Its benefits are truly remarkable, especially for targeted blood flow. Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenol. These potent antioxidants are known to widen blood vessels, improving their resilience and elasticity. Crucially, pomegranate specifically supports pelvic blood flow, which is vital for men's health and overall vitality. James, 71, felt persistently cold, tired, and drained every morning, a feeling he couldn't shake. After adding pomegranate seeds to his breakfast, he felt noticeably warmer, stronger, and more focused throughout the day. He shared, "It feels like I got part of myself back." Martha and her husband made pure pomegranate juice their morning ritual. Both reported a significant increase in stamina, a greater sense of warmth in their extremities, and sustained energy levels throughout the day. This simple addition transformed their mornings. You can easily add a handful of fresh pomegranate seeds to your yogurt or oatmeal. Alternatively, enjoy half a glass of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. It's that simple to incorporate this powerful fruit into your routine and reap its profound benefits. Here's the real secret, the true power behind these foods. These 5 foods work far better together than they do individually. They create a synergistic effect, enhancing each other's benefits in remarkable ways. For example, the probiotics in yogurt improve your body's absorption of the nitrates from spinach, making the spinach even more effective. The vitamin C in berries boosts the beneficial effects of the flavonols found in dark chocolate. And the healthy fats in avocado help you absorb the powerful polyphenol from pomegranate more efficiently. When you combine these elements, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 doesn't just equal 5. It feels like 10, or even more. The combined impact on your circulation and overall vitality is exponential. Many seniors who consistently follow this morning routine notice profound positive changes. They report better warmth in their hands and feet, a significant increase in energy levels, and clearer, sharper thinking throughout the day. These aren't minor improvements, they are life-enhancing transformations. So let me remind you of the 5 powerful foods that form your morning toolkit. Spinach. Greek yogurt with berries. Avocado. Dark chocolate. Pomegranate. This is your morning toolkit for revitalized circulation and sustained energy. And consistency truly matters. Making these choices a regular part of your routine is key to unlocking their long-term benefits. The first hour after you wake up holds more power over your circulation and energy than most people realize. What you choose to eat in that crucial window shapes your energy and blood flow for the entire day ahead. It sets the stage for how you feel and perform. So I'll ask you this, 6 months from now, will you wish you started sooner? Will you look back and regret not taking this simple step towards better health? Or will you feel proud that you took control, that you invested in your well-being, and that you are experiencing the benefits of improved vitality? This is your invitation to take control of your health, starting with your breakfast. To use the incredible power of food to support the strength, the energy, and the confidence you truly deserve at any age. You are not alone on this journey. This community is here for you, offering support and guidance. Take it one food, one morning, one better day at a time. Your body will thank you.